I love to have little shelves and little organizing bins and tubs and every organizing thing I can get my hands on. I love organizing things. This is a little plastic shelf I'm going to use to organize some more of my craft stuff. I thought we'd put it together. I suspect this will be very easy to put together, but let's start the stopwatch and see how long it actually takes. $14 minutes, but that is pretty typical for me. I'm not great at assembling things. I had to take it apart and redo it because there are long poles and there are short poles. And I didn't read that on the list. I was just following the pictures. There were good instructions. It wasn't their fault. It was my fault. I would do the wheels last if I had another one to assemble because the wheels hindered my progress. It made the thing too tall. It made it where it was sliding around. But otherwise, the instructions were great. I will say there was one weird thing I noticed about this. There was some dirt and hair kind of scattered about the pieces and in some of the crevices that I had to clean out. And I don't usually see that in these kinds of, in fact, I very seldom see dirt or hair. And it was dirt, little specks of dirt, black dirt. Don't know what was going on with that, but not a huge deal. Once I got it put all together and inserted the right way, it was just a matter of force to getting it all to lock. So again, really simple to set up, really good quality. I am very pleased with how sturdy this is. I love the little drawer here. We've got the cups. For crafting purposes, I don't know what you'd use the hooks for, but if this is a cleaning cart or school supply thing, there's plenty of opportunities to use the hooks, and it comes with 4 of them, 2 little cups. I have a similar one to this, but it doesn't have the lid or the drawer, so that gives you a little extra room. Very pleased with this. I'm 5 feet tall. This is our game table, slash dining table. It's the same size as the regular dining table, and it's almost the same size as the dining table. It does not quite fit under it, and it goes to my waist. As I said, I'm 5 feet and about the width of me. I think a lot of things will fit on here. I'm gonna go organize. I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and what's something you're organizing?